Hi, I'm Ollie, with over 7 years of experience working in top tech companies such as Amazon and Goldman Sachs. I'm here to help you level up your coding skills and land your dream job in big tech. On this channel, LeetCode LevelUp, I'll be posting daily videos to guide you through solving coding challenges and becoming a better programmer. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Today we're going to be looking at LeetCode question 121, best time to buy and sell stock. You're given an array prices where prices I is a price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximise your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. Example 1. Here are the prices, and it's going to look something kind of like this. The output is going to be 5, where you buy 1 and you sell at 6. Example 2. Here are the input prices, and it's going to look kind of like this, which is just a downward trend where there's no opportunity to make a profit, so you return 0. The approach that we're going to be taking is using dynamic programming, with a time complexity of O of n and a space complexity of O of 1. Now let's walk through. Here are the prices that we're going to be looking at. We're going to iterate over them starting at 10. We're going to declare two variables, max profit, we'll set it equal to 0, and we'll calculate max profit, the maximum of current value minus the minimum value, or the maximum profit that we've observed so far. The minimum value is going to equal 10, which is the first observed price. So we then go to the next item in the array, we update the minimum value and set it equal to 7, and then we go to the next price in the array, which is 8. So we update the maximum profit to 1, we go to the next price, which is 6, we update the minimum value to 6, and then we go to the next price, which is 9. We update the maximum profit and set it equal to 3, we go to the next item in the array, we then update the minimum value to 5, and we go to the final item in the array, which is a price of 6. Okay, so we've come to the end of the array, and now we return 3, which is the max profit. And that's obtained by buying at 6 and selling at 9. Great, thank you very much for watching, and I hope that this has clarified this question for you. It's as easy as that. Why not pause the video and try to implement a solution yourself? If not, stay tuned for my solution next. So we're going to answer question 121, best time to buy and sell stock. You're given an array, prices, where prices I is the price of a given stock on the ith day. You want to maximise your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. Return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, return 0. And we've got a couple of examples here. So input price, the output is 5. You can see that when the price is 1, that's the minimum, and then the maximum after that is to 6. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And then example 2, you can see that it's just a downward trajectory in the price. So if I was in an interview setting, the two main edge cases I'd be asking about would be, firstly, are we going to be getting a number? Are we going to be getting at least one price in the input array? Because if we're not, we need to handle that edge case basically. Secondly, I would just clarify to make sure that we are going to be getting positive integers, because obviously asset prices tend to be in the positives. I don't actually know of any scenarios where they might be negative, so that would be something that I just want to clarify with the interviewer. And if you just have a quick look down here at the constraints, you can see that there's always at least one item in the array of prices, and that the price, like the actual price itself, is 0 or higher. So cool. Now if you followed along with the whiteboard walkthrough, then we declare two integers. So int max profit, set that equal to 0, and then int min val, set that equal to prices 0, so the first observed price, and then we loop over prices, going through each price. So for int I equals 0, I is less than prices dot length I plus plus. Okay, then min val is equal to math dot min, and check if the currently observed min, so min val is less than the prices I. If the prices I is less than the min val, then min val will be updated. And then max profit is equal to math.max, and we want to see the currently observed max profit versus the current prices I minus the min val. Come in and put in these, and then we return the end, we return the max profit, and let's run that and see if it works. Perfect. Now let's see if it passes the test when I hit submit. Cool. So according to this little thing here, it says that it beats 74.62% in terms of runtime, and in memory 72.63. So the runtime complexity is O of n, and the space complexity is O of 1 constant. Well, thank you for watching my video. If you like the content, then please click like and subscribe. And if you've got anything that you'd like to add, or anything that you'd like me to produce in the future, then please leave comments below. Yeah, thank you and good luck.